Open your beginning drawing Atelier sketchbook to page 38. Our goal in this exercise is to find the pentagram in the leaf. First, either freehand or with a ruler, draw a square around your leaf, just touching the farthest tips. It doesn't have to be perfectly measured. We're just creating an imaginary box that fits snugly around your leaf. This is called a notional space. Next, mark the diagonals of your square by connecting the corners. It's important to keep these diagonal lines as light as you can because we're just trying to use them to find the center. Then draw a light vertical line down the center of your square. This finds the spine of your leaf. The halfway point is located where your two diagonal lines cross in the center. Now notice where the tips of your leaf hit the circumference of the square. Make ticks to indicate where they fall. Connect the dots to form a wide pentagon using darker lines. This can be done with a straight edge ruler or freehand. All 5-pointed leaves are the imperfect reflection pointing to an ideal shape of the pentagon. It's a symbol of the regenerative power of growing things. It teaches us to look under the variety seen in nature to find a simpler pattern and to appreciate the geometry of life. Next, using darker lines, connect the corners of your pentagon to form a pentagram. The leaf on this page was found as I was walking around the lake near my house in Seattle during the fall. If you wish, pick some leaves that you find in your neighborhood and attach them to a sheet of paper. Draw them using this method to see what shapes they make.